Now you can customize your Memojis on iPhone. Now this is really simple, but before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, let's just open up your messages. And after you open up your messages, you will see the plus icon right besides the message. Tap on it. Now tap on more. There you will see the Memojis option. Tap on it. Now if you're new to emojis, you'll be asked to just create a Memoji. Now if you're not new, just swipe and you'll see an option to add new emoji. Tap on plus. Now you'll be able to just customize your emojis right here. Now you can just select your color, you can select your hairstyle. Now select the one you want. You can select your brows, eyes, head, nose, and everything else. There you see headwear, body, and so on and on. And that is pretty much how you customize your Memoji on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and take care. Bye bye.